Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Yubo notifications. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Yubo app. Your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the settings icon. Then tap on push notifications option. To turn off Yubo notifications, tap on System Options. And then disable Show Notifications. And this is how you can turn off Yubo notifications. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.